I came out when I was like 13 or 14 years old. The hardest part for me was coming out to myself because there wasn't really a lot of femme presenting lesbians in the public eye. I thought, well, how could I be gay? You know, I want to be girly and I want to wear makeup. My name is Faithlynn, and this is my fiance, Mariah.
Weirdly enough, like not even before we actually met in person, we used to FaceTime with each other for legit like 8 hours. And we would start at like 6 o'clock at night, and then it would be
5 in the morning.
Yeah, it
or
was
6
just,
in the morning.
I felt like we were just lost in each other.
We make such a team. A lot of people say opposites attract. They definitely do in our circumstances. I love to wear makeup and get all girly.
And I'm more athletic.
But I think she looks so beautiful that way because she's being herself.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome. No, but it's true. You're more beautiful when you feel confident and you feel like comfortable in your own skin. Shopping at Sephora, I feel like it's pretty inclusive for everyone. It really lines up with my value system because, you know, being a part of the LGBT community for years and years, and we both could leave the same store with something, which I feel like is pretty rare.
Yeah, I like the perfume and cologne section, and it can be done in 10 seconds and she'll be done a couple hours later. But we do get to leave the store with something both in our hands, so that's really nice. I think anyone who comes out and before then, they always feel like they don't belong. I came out much later than my partner. I came out when I was a senior in college. I loved my experience, but I regret not being my full self the full time I was at college. But ever since I did come out, I've really come into myself, and she's made that so much easier for me.
Once I did come out and sort of really find myself, I realized that I didn't have to change who I was to be authentic to myself. I didn't have to wear more masculine clothes. I could still wear girly clothes and still be gay. I'm very much me. It's just a small part of me.
I wish that I grasped that idea sooner in my life of just being yourself, because for a lot of years of my life, I tried to be like everyone I was around.
Life is way too short. We're in unprecedented times. I'm so blessed to have found my person, and I wouldn't change that for the world.